Okay, thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you can get the notifications when I upload a new video. And in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a brand new Samsung Galaxy A20. And this is a phone from Metro by T-Mobile. So let's see what comes in the box. Let's see. I got a knife because they put a little seal on it. Let's see if I can get this. Okay, so you just break the seal. So, I guess these are the manuals. Yeah, it's just to get to know the manuals, quick reference, the terms and conditions. And then here's the phone itself. Okay, so it has a cover. Let's see what else it has. All the SIM card from Metro PCS or Metro by T-Mobile. And it comes with the USB-C, the Type-C fast charging cable, and then the wall charging cable. And then of course the SIM card removal. And you can see it on the picture there, how you do it to remove the SIM card and put it in, and the micro SD card's on the same slot. And that's it, everything that comes in the box. So thank you for checking out my video. Tell your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe and leave comments and let me know. Thank you.